Right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a quick one. Today we're going to talk about Pangolin. So it is on a big sell-off right now, and they did recently have an airdrop. So that could be, well, that's probably one of the main reasons why. But really low market cap. I mean, it big time sold off. But check it out, guys. Really cool network. It's actually the not sponsored, but the main chain that Avalanche actually recommends and says it's partnered with. So Pangolin is the main exchange that Avalanche uses. Yes, they have a couple of them. We actually feature one on our channel that talks about Zero Exchange, but they aren't partnered with Avax, so do keep that in mind. This one's actually partnered with them, and Zero Exchange is a little more different because they're also trying to use a cross-chain, including Polkadot. So that's where they're coming into play. This one is trying to technically be the Uniswap for Avax, just like, well, yeah, the Uniswap is on Ethereum. They're trying to be the Pangolin for Avax. So theoretically, it's trying to be the Uniswap for them. So it's not, I'm not really going to make a very detailed video about it. You guys, most of you guys know how Uniswap works. You literally swap your tokens and select whichever token you want to what it is. But do be aware that the liquidity, there is liquidity on this network, but it's not crazy. So this is just a fork of Uniswap. It works just like Uniswap. If you don't know how it works, go ahead and check out my other videos to see how it works. But be aware, guys, that the liquidity on this exchange is low. So if you're going to be exchanging in other tokens, be aware that the price impact is going to be crazy. So unless you're trading in Avax with basically everything, I probably wouldn't recommend trading on this network until it gets more liquidity. But again, most of the trading people are doing on this exchange right now is for the Pangolin, because this is the only place to get the token. And that, in my opinion, is somewhat smart of them, because it forces people to come on to layer 2, try it out, see how great it is, see how easy it is to use. And once they have their tokens on layer 2, they're like, oh, I like this. This is so much better. But anyways, if you guys have the airdrop, you have to have two things. Either have Uni tokens or Sushi tokens before the 7th of December at any time. And if you have, or if you did have those in your wallet, all you got to do is go onto this page, add the Avax network, and this is how you add the Avax network. It's really easy. Google, add Avax to MetaMask, and you just go into the settings of your MetaMask, and I'm looking for the Avax. But you need to enter into MetaMask when you add a new RPC, and you'll automatically get the chain on your MetaMask. So if you see, we pull up our MetaMask, go to Avalanche chain, and boom, we're on Avax. I already added it, so I don't really need to mess with it. But just so you guys can get an understanding on how to do it. And you have to you have to use the bridge. That's how you jump on the bridge. It's a weird website address, but you can go directly from their website. You go to tutorials, and once you go to tutorials, I think I'm saying that weird. Once you go to the T page, transfer from Ethereum. So you can, well, it's going to walk you through how to do that. But first, you access the bridge here. So you hit here. And once you get on this bridge, you're going to first need to get some Avax, unless you want to use ERC. Well, you still need Avax. So regardless, you're going to need some Avalanche tokens in order to make a transaction. Because if you send Ethereum onto the Avalanche network, you're going to be like toast. So I'd recommend sending some Avax. And how you do that is you get some on Binance, and you can go directly on Binance and you can enter your Avax address. They don't have the ERC20, so you can't send this directly to your MetaMask. Do not make that mistake, or your tokens will be gone forever. Yeah, they'll be gone. So this is how you do it. So we're going to go back to that page where they talk about transferring Ethereum to Avax. So first you need to get a wallet, and how you get that is you get one of these Avalanche wallets, and it's really easy to do. I just set up some random one, but what you do is you have the X chain, the C chain, which is your cross chain. So this allows you to transfer to the ERC. So what you're going to use is this X-Chain address. Wrong address there. This is your X-Chain address. So you're going to copy this. You're going to put that on Binance, and it's going to come onto your Avalanche wallet. Once it's on your Avalanche wallet, now you'll hit C-Chain. This is where you can enter in any address that you want. So this is your current wallet address. I just created some random one just to show you guys how to do it. This will, once you're on the C chain right here, you guys see X, C, X, C. This is where we're going to send to our MetaMask now. So we're going to enter the address we want to send to, enter the gas fee, and do whatever you want. I guess 470 really doesn't matter because it's still just 28 cents. But you send it to your MetaMask. Once it's on your MetaMask, now you can go play around with the exchange. Once you're on here, you're going to connect your MetaMask, and now you can transfer any tokens that you want. So, how does this work? So right now we're on the Ethereum network. I connected my MetaMask. After I sent those tokens, we are still on the ERC20 exchange. So don't forget that. So you need to bridge these tokens over. Now in your MetaMask. So you don't have to worry about transferring them from the MetaMask because we did that directly on this wallet. So when we use the C chain, that automatically sent it to our MetaMask, and the MetaMask the chain that the MetaMask automatically gets is going to be on the Avax chain. So you don't have to transfer it. But if you're going to be sending ERC tokens or ERC20 tokens that are not Avax, well, there's a different process for this. And you need to go to the Avax Ethereum bridge. So right now we're on the Ethereum network. If you're sending only Ethereum, you go ahead and wrap your token. So you need to wrap your Ethereum first. So if you have regular Ethereum, you're going to wrap the token to be wrapped Ethereum. So now you have your wrapped Ethereum, then you can transfer it. So basically what a wrapped Ethereum is an ERC20 token. So the ERC20s can be directly sent from the Ethereum network to Avalanche. So this is how you're going to do it. So we're going to do Ethereum to Avalanche. Great. We're going to send however many tokens we want, and we're going to put our address in there. Just any random address is fine. Go ahead and put our address in there. And then you go ahead and I want to send my funds to my address. So you can choose that's fine what you want to do. If you select my address, then it's going to automatically, if you choose my address, it's automatically going to pull the address that you have connected with your MetaMask. So basically it just changes the chain. So it's just an easy way to do it instead of having to copy and paste. Start transfer, and then it's going to go ahead and send it to the Avax chain. Great. Now we got our ERC20s, our Avalanche on the new chain. Now we're on layer 2. Wow. Now you guys can understand why layer 2 didn't take off as quick as it did, because it's so complex, but we'll see what happens. And then this kind of explains how to do it in a written article. I can leave it in the description below so you guys can get it. But basically, really easy to do. Now we're on the layer 2, so now let's go on to Pangolin exchange. Make sure you're on the Avax network. Now you can trade your Avax to any token that you want, or any ERC20 token that you want. But be aware, guys, the liquidity on it is a bit low. So let me show you guys what I mean. So we'll show you BUSD, 1 AVE for 1 BUSD. Let's show you how, well, 10 AVE. That's having me connect my wallet. We'll use DAI instead of BUSD because, well, BUSD, I guess it's like a competitor to them, so it's not even pulling up anything on it. But let's show you guys. So 10 AVE, 100 AVE. So you guys can see it. It's kind of starting to get a little bit expensive. And enter 1,000. Not expensive, but like a ripoff. Like AVE's selling for way more than this. Let me show you guys. 1 AVE is currently selling for $358. And you're basically going to be getting gypped out on 20 bucks a token. So as you guys can see, it's $338. And then I'll show you another example. We'll just pick some random token, some anchor tokens. These are selling for like 0.26 cents or 26 cents, I think. Look, there's no liquidity to trade it. So if you have anchor on this exchange, you aren't even going to be able to trade it here. Maybe you can trade it for some Avax. Let's see if that works. No, you can't even trade it for Avax. So be aware before you make a trade, you see how much liquidity is on it. This is mainly going to be trading so you can get some of the Pangolin tokens, which a lot of people are talking about right now. So you can literally just trade over from Avax to PNG. And of course, this has a lot of liquidity because most of the PNG is coming from Avax. So do keep that in mind, guys. Anyways, guys, hope that helped. And if you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and smash up the like button and go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We teach you about different altcoin projects and basically how to make it in the game. And if this brought any value to you guys, I want to be able to make more and more videos. So provide me some good feedback or bad feedback. Either way, give me some feedback on what I should improve, what I should do better. And of course, as always, we'll leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 29, and I believe we're in verses 21 today. 29:21. A servant pampered from youth will turn out to be insolent. Correct definition is showing a rude and arrogant lack of respect. And yes, that is very true because they take advantage of the situation. It's almost like giving a gift to someone and you give it to them so many times they almost expect it. A good example of this is kids going out to eat, their parents paying for the meal, and the kids don't say thank you for the meal. They get so used to the meal they just don't even care anymore. Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy. Always say thank you. Always be appreciative. It's never a bad thing to be super appreciative. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and without you guys watching, I wouldn't keep doing these videos, but I'm hoping I'm helping you guys. If I am, smash that like button. Go ahead and get started with the triple threat. Go ahead and start with the Celsius account. Here's a referral link where you guys can earn $20 in BTC. Really awesome. Set up a Celsius account, easy to use, and you get crazy interest rates on your Celsius account. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, you name it. The next one in the triple threat is a Crypto.com account. Super easy to use, super easy to set up, really easy to buy and sell on it. I don't like how it doesn't have limit orders, but really easy to use. And here's another referral code for 25 bucks in CRO. Here's the referral link, A8GP, you guys can read it. But anyways, guys, a cool place to buy cryptocurrency on the go. Allows you to buy small altcoins, unlike Celsius. Celsius is more so like your bank account. And the third one, this one is a fun one, Voyager. This one is more so where you can buy with limit orders. It doesn't have as many altcoins as Crypto.com, but it's really easy to use, easy to set up. And yes, this one does come with a referral link as well, and you'll get $25 in BTC. This is how you can do a limit order. Super easy to use, and they don't charge any trading fees whatsoever. Here's the referral link. You can't copy and paste it, but you can look in the description to copy and paste, and you can put that in and set one up. 25 bucks, free BTC. This is the funnest one though. Lolly, free. There is a referral link to this one too. I've actually won 100,000 sats one time on one of the taps, which is worth like 100 bucks in Bitcoin. So it's crazy. Look, and there's even proof in the wallet. Look at that, daily stack, 101. Guys, set one up. It's really easy to do. Download a Lolly account and just set it up.